Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the tailgate, locking, seat adjuster, driver 6-way power, remote vehicle starter system, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, air conditioning, dual-zone automatic climate control, mirror, inside rear view with rear camera display, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.08 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, air cleaner, high capacity, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing. SpeedFlex fuel, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing. SpeedFlex fuel with active fuel management. Wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum. Emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Skid plate package, convenience package, All-Star Edition, tailgate, as lift, wheels, 417 x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters.